We're surrounded just now by the Thani Collection, which is really characterized by superlative rare works of art. This is one of the masterpieces of the Thani Collection. It's a silk woven robe, about 1,000 years old, made in Iran or Central Asia. We know that robes of this type were not only worn as an expression of power, but were also given as gifts. What's really extraordinary is the Kufic script that surrounds these contrasting geese. The text reads, "Glory, prosperity, victory." The history of this Chinese porcelain dish reveals the extent to which ceramics from East Asia were valued in Muslim courts and belonged to two remarkable royal figures, Mahin Banu, a Safavid princess, and Shah Jahan, the builder of the Taj Mahal. This parrot is made of solid gold, covered with enamel and inset with diamonds, emeralds, and rubies. It was made in the 18th century in southern India. It would have been used in the context of a royal court, really as an expression of the splendor and the glory of the ruler's power. Syria and Egypt during the Mamluk period were renowned for the production of glass. This example is a rare surviving candle stand, one of only two, made in the 14th century. It has around the collar an inscription which is benefactory, something to bring good luck and good fortune to its owner. The centerpiece of the Thani Collection exhibition here in AlMuqtani is the Briolette of India. This is a remarkable diamond, D-flawless and 90 carats in weight. It belonged already to some important collectors before coming into the Thani Collection. It was in the hands of Harry Winston and Louis Cartier, two of the greatest diamond collectors of the 20th century.